Rap snacks hitting on.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into this review. Y'all know every time Rap Snacks come out with the new item, I gotta get it. So this one I think I'm gonna try myself. It is NBA Youngboy's Louisiana Red Hot. So this is what the bag looks like. Let me see. He has a little quote on the back which says, "Nobody's perfect, but I'm working towards being the best version of myself. Don't ever let someone tell you what you can't do. If you can believe it, you can achieve it." NBA Youngboy. Now, I can't really say that that's his quote. Maybe he heard it from somewhere else, or it's mixed in with somebody else's quote or whatever. But definitely doesn't sound original. But either way, let's get into what these taste like. Okay? Now the flavor, let me see if I can figure it out. Nah, it don't really tell me what the flavor is, like the rest of them boys. So all else fail, it's just hot red potato chips, and that's pretty much it. But yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so off rip, it don't smell like nothing, but it's most definitely giving the red, hot, spicy, all of that. Like, let's taste one. Ooh, it looks like it got too much hot stuff on it, but we'll see. Okay, so the hot don't hit your tongue until after actually chewing or whatever. It's definitely okay. It must have like spike flakes or spicy flakes or something. Because even just licking it is nothing, but chewing it, that's when you get the burst of heat. Like, darn near make you want to cry. This is not like hot fries though. And of course, the more you eat, the spicier it gets. Yeah. See, now it's getting some throat. Somebody seen that back doorbell. Y'all done got distracted already. Oh, look like, oh, my yard man. Okay, it's Friday. But either way, yeah. Super spicy after you eat a few. Again, at first it's giving like some type of honey type something at first. Whew. And then it kicks in the spices and whatever else. I definitely wouldn't buy this again though, for real. That's it. We're gonna start right there. Yeah. It's safe to say that I don't like it. And maybe because I'm not like a hot, spicy type of girly anyway, I definitely would not be buying it again. Ooh, I'm gonna end the video right here.